Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina. Time travel, the idea of jumping to the past or the future, has fascinated humans for centuries. What would you do if you could travel through time? Would you go back and witness historical events, or leap into the future to see what the world will be like? The concept of time travel has been explored in countless books and movies, like H.G. Wells' The Time Machine and the classic film Back to the Future. But could this be more than just science fiction? Let's dive into the real science behind time travel, starting with one of the most brilliant minds in history, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, the key to time travel. In the early 1900s, Albert Einstein revolutionized the way we understand the universe with his groundbreaking theory of relativity. His theory proposed that time is not constant and absolute as previously thought. Instead, time bends and stretches depending on how fast you're moving or the strength of gravitational forces around you. What does this mean for time travel? Can we move through time just like we travel through space? Let's explore. Time travel explained: why time is not the same for everyone. One fascinating aspect of Einstein's theory of relativity is the concept of time being relative. Imagine two people, one standing still and the other traveling at a super high speed. Time passes more slowly for the person moving at high speed than for the one standing still. This phenomenon, called time dilation, has been proven through experiments with atomic clocks, showing that time travel isn't just science fiction. It's rooted in real science. What is time dilation? How does speed affect time? Einstein's theory explains that the faster we travel, the slower time moves for us. Known as time dilation, this concept suggests that traveling close to the speed of light could slow time dramatically. For example, while you might only age a few years during a high-speed journey, centuries could pass for those on Earth. Unfortunately, we currently lack the technology to achieve such speeds, but this remains one of the most intriguing aspects of Einstein's work. Can black holes help us travel to the future? Black holes, mysterious and super-dense objects in space, might also offer a gateway to the future. According to Einstein, the immense gravitational pull of a black hole can warp space and time. Time moves slower near a black hole compared to farther away. Theoretically, if you approached a black hole, you'd age slower than those on Earth. However, the dangers of black holes make this an impractical method for now, though it sparks the imagination. Cryosleep, the future of space travel and time travel. If traveling at the speed of light or near black holes isn't an option, cryosleep might offer an alternative. By slowing down biological functions, cryosleep could help astronauts survive long journeys through space. Seen in sci-fi films like Interstellar, cryosleep is still far from reality, but could one day make deep space travel, and a form of time travel, possible. What do you think? Is time travel closer than we believe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to explore more about space, science, and the mysteries of the universe with me, Momina. Stay tuned for part 2.